In China, calling an elder by their first name is considered impolite. For example, I have an elder sister. Instead of calling her by her name, I call her 姐姐, which means older sister. But what if I have two elder sisters? We will refer to them based on their age order. The eldest sister would be called 大姐, meaning eldest sister, and the second eldest would be called 二姐, meaning second elder sister, and so on. Depending on the degree of kinship, we use different terms of address for different elders. Therefore, for someone who has just started learning Mandarin, the Chinese system of addressing relatives can seem very complicated. For example, a father's younger brother is called 叔叔, while a father's older brother is called 伯伯. A father's sister, whether older or younger, is collectively referred to as 姑姑. A father's father is called 爷爷, and a father's mother is called 奶奶. A mother's brother, whether older or younger, is collectively referred to as 舅舅. A mother's sister, whether older or younger, is collectively referred to as 姨妈. I won't list more here. If anyone is interested, I can add this course to my Mandarin app, Hanzi Pro. China has even extended this etiquette to the workplace. If you hold the position of a manager, your colleagues might address you directly by your title, calling you 经理 instead of by your name. In Breaking Bad, Hank calls Walter by his first name, Walter. In China, Hank would be expected to call Walter 姐夫. Jesse refers to Walter as Mr. White, which I think is a form of respectful address in American culture, especially for a teacher. In China, students would call their teachers 老师. The way Chinese people address their elders is related to traditional Chinese culture, and since ancient times, China has placed great emphasis on kinship and social relationships. Chinese people have a strong sense of collectivism, and family members help each other. Therefore, this kind of culture permeates into the way people address each other. I know there are some cultural aspects in the way Americans address people, such as Doctor Who, Mr. White, and Professor Dumbledore, but those are the only ones I know. Could you please enlighten me more?